Want to stop mindless scrolling? Here's how I set up my minimalist phone app to do that. First step, tap on download and let the app show you why your phone is the biggest hurdle in becoming the most focused and productive version of yourself. Here it explains why some apps are addictive, the reason you open apps that you don't want to open, and what you can do about it. Make sure you give it a good read. Once you finish the intro, enable the permissions and let the app do its magic. Don't worry, the minimalist phone app takes your privacy very seriously and they never sell any of your data. In fact, it's just required for the in-app time reminders to work perfectly. Here's how I use the app in the best way. I love having a customized setup, so I organized all my apps into personal folders like socials, work, banking, productivity apps, and more. Once you've made your folders, add the important ones to your favorites so they end up on your home screen. Make sure not to add any you don't want to spend too much time on, like social media. Quick search always comes in handy when I want to quickly search for an app in all apps. Next, set up in-app time reminders and never get stuck in endless scrolling again. In-app time reminder is active by default for all social media apps and games. Use the 15-second pause to stop yourself from mindlessly opening apps. Easily block addictive apps for focus sessions. Select the blocking time that works best for you. Lastly, use app hiding and grayscale mode on selected apps. Start your free trial today.